All right, so for this upcoming week, you have assignments due every day, as you do every week. You could foreseeably do the assignments over the weekend if you are an online student, because you only are able to work on classes on the weekends. You're going to be busy on the weekends, but you can get it done. So the first thing you'll do is to click on the 099 class, because you have an assignment due every Monday in your 099 class. And you'll read everything that is there. Today you're going to upload, or by Monday at 3, you're going to upload one body paragraph for the career comparison essay to 099 so that I can give you feedback. Detailed feedback is my goal for all of you, because I really want to help you be successful in English 101. That's what 099 is for. So I'm having you do assignments that you're later going to turn in for English 101 so that I can help guide you and show you, yes, this is the way you should do it, or no, you need to revise these things or pay extra attention to this, or ask the tutors for more help with this or that. Since I don't see you in person, if you are able to come to campus, the tutors are a great resource for you to use. If you're not able to come to campus, you can work with the tutors in real time, or you can send them things, and you're required to send them your drafts of your big essays anyway in English 101. So for now, though, for Monday, you're going to send me one body paragraph. What goes into one body paragraph of your career comparison essay? Well, here's a 12-minute video where I explain that to you, okay? And then how do you upload it to Blackboard? Here's a 5-minute video of where I explain that to you, and I also show you how to see the feedback. I do recommend that you make yourself a playlist of videos for the English classes so that you have a place on your phone or tablet where you can easily find the helpful videos that I post each week, especially the ones like formatting. So if you need a reminder of how to format an assignment in MLA format, watch this video again and then save it to your playlist. Also save how to upload an assignment in Blackboard. That'll be super important. And of course, check your announcements daily in all of your classes, but especially in both of your English classes. Next, you're going to go to your English 101 class and see what's due on Tuesday. So Tuesday, you're going to have an online tutoring demonstration, which is really just part of this draft writing assignment. Watch the How to Use Upswing video. That shows you how to access the online tutoring service. Also, this PDF will show you how to work with a tutor one-on-one in person if you like, or synchronously in real time with a tutor who is talking to you through the computer. You also have a source integration quiz for 20 points. Just click on the video itself and it does this, and then you have to click the video again, and then you have this pre-test thing. I recommend that you download the questions for your pre-test. Take the pre-test, see if you know any of these answers yet, and then you would be able to correct your answers as you hear the answers as the video is playing, and then you're more likely to be able to get the answers correct the first time because you'll know what to listen for. So when you're ready to take the quiz, just click Continue and take that quiz. Then you're going to turn your outline into a draft so that you can upload it to Upswing, okay? Be sure that you do get the Upswing feedback, so do upload your draft by Tuesday to Upswing, because next week you're going to turn in that feedback from Upswing with your draft for 20 very easy points. So don't skip out on those 20-point assignments. They can really add up in English 101. In English 099, all your assignments are worth 40 points, so they all just average together. But 20-point assignments may not seem like much, but they can add up quickly. So make sure you do that. All of the links are to show you how to do things. Now click back on your English 099 and see what is due on Wednesday. What's due on Wednesday? I have to go over here and look at my dates. Wednesday, September 15th. I click on that and I see I have a short source integration quiz. So I'm really driving home the importance of knowing how to integrate sources well here. I also have some handouts for you that if you are a handout kind of person, you do better with a printed sheet that you can reference while you are doing your assignments. I understand that works for me too. So if you want one of those, I certainly encourage both of them. This integrating sources corresponds with the quiz. So take a look at that. You'll see it also on the quiz itself. And this is a shorter quiz. So look, 4 minutes, no big deal. All right. And then this video, watch it. It's a 2-minute video showing you how to find the feedback on your body paragraph that you turned in on Monday. It's really important that you read the feedback so you can make adjustments to your draft as you are revising for the final essay. So that's all you have to do. So you have a 4.5-minute quiz on Thursday on Wednesday for 099. And then you have a 2.5-minute video to watch. You can do that. It seems like a lot of stuff, but it's really small assignments that you can manage. And if you do them in order, you'll get the right information you need to help you progress smoothly through English 101. Now I have to go back out of 099 and back into 101 to see what is due on Thursday. Again, I have to look at my left column, which if it's not there, I have to click on this little guy here. Click on September 16th and see what's due. Ooh, the punctuation test. So all of the little links that you have had in the agenda have punctuation test review. So for example, if I go back to last Thursday, I can see quotation marks, apostrophe, hyphens, and dashes. I can watch those videos to review. I've also had a punctuation practice test to take, and if I look at the feedback there, I can see what I've missed and why. Plus, I can get up to 5 bonus points on my test that I take on Thursday, September 16th. Okay? So, make sure you take that test before the deadline. You're going to be using Respondus Lockdown Browser. If you have any trouble with Respondus, go to the left side and under Help of All Kinds, click on Respondus and see what you need to do. You can watch the video on how to make it work. You can also find out who you can email if you're having trouble. helpdesk@wallacestate.edu. Back to September 16th. All you really have to do is the punctuation test on Thursday, but keep checking for your feedback. And if you get your feedback early on your career comparison, you can send it to Upswing again and get more feedback to have before the deadline. So, as many times as you want to revise, go ahead. That'll only make your paper better and give you better chances at making an excellent grade in English 101. That's all you have for this week. Let me know if you have questions. Do email me and let me know.